Hi, my name is Chris and I have some great products that we're going to show you today from Bikehand. Bikehand is a company that has been making bike tools for more than 25 years. Next I'm going to show you one of the larger toolkits that we have here, and it's got as you can see, it's got a nice carry box. Just open it up and I'll just show you what you get for your money. First off, it comes with a nice working tray. You stick all your bits in so you don't lose them. And I'll just run through the stuff we've got. Comes with grease. Comes with a set of tyre levers, crank pulling arm. There's a set of spoke key adjusting, a Phillips head screwdriver, a crank bolt to hold the nut on the crank bolt, and a small repair kit. Then you get a set of cone spanners from 13mm up to 19mm, bottom bracket tool, set of Allen keys, chain breaker, set of cable cutters, a lock nut removal tool for your cassette, take an internal bottom bracket tool, a set of headset spanners, a brush to clean your chain and your cassette, a pedal spanner, a chain whip, and a chain cleaner. So there you go. That's what you get in this kit. I hope you have enjoyed this video and the products that we have shown. If you need any more information on the products, then go to bikehand.com.